In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain name to GoDaddy. If you're moving a domain from one registrar to another, the process is usually straightforward, but it's important to follow each part carefully so nothing gets delayed. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the core steps in a simple and clear way. To begin, go to the registrar where your domain is currently registered. Before a transfer can happen, the domain needs to be unlocked. Many registrars place a transfer lock on domains by default as a security measure, so you'll need to turn that off first. Once the domain is unlocked, request the authorization code, which is also sometimes called the EPP code or auth code. This code works like a transfer password and confirms that you have permission to move the domain. Be sure to copy it exactly as provided, since even a small typo can cause the transfer to fail. After that, head over to the GoDaddy domain transfer page. Enter the domain name you want to transfer, and when prompted, paste in the authorization code from your current registrar. Take a moment here to double check both the domain spelling and the code before continuing. Accuracy matters, especially during a transfer, because incorrect details can slow the process or require you to start again. Next, complete the transfer order through GoDaddy. This is the stage where you confirm the transfer request and submit everything for processing. Depending on the domain and your account settings, you may see a few standard prompts related to registration terms or contact information. Just review the details carefully and continue through checkout. Once the order is placed, you'll need to approve the transfer through the authorization link sent to your email. This approval step is very important because the transfer typically won't move forward until it's confirmed. Check the inbox associated with the domain registration, and if you don't see the message right away, look in your spam or junk folder as well. Open the email, click the authorization link, and follow the instructions to approve the request. After approval, the transfer will begin processing. In many cases, domain transfers can take several days, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. As long as the domain is unlocked, the authorization code is correct, the order is complete, and the approval email has been confirmed, the transfer should be on its way. That's it. Follow those steps carefully and you'll be able to transfer your domain to GoDaddy smoothly